friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I have another curly wig and it's actually a 360-degree wig. Stick around for today's wig and install. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Zlike hair. I'm super excited to have them back. What I have installed today is a 26-inch 360-degree water wave glueless ponytail wig. This wig can be put into a ponytail and worn up. So it has the invisible elastic strap. You can wear the hair up in a bun. This wig also comes with a pre-plucked hairline and bleach knots, and it's also pre-cut lace. 100% fresh out of the box, ready to wear.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Ooh.
Is that like, what is it? Why does it look bald? Am I tripping? I'm gonna go ahead and remove some of this extra lace because it's not serving any function to me. You can let it dry or you can just put it on. I'm just gonna put it on. So we're taking our time with it, pressing it in. I'm not using too much. You just want enough that it's gonna secure the wig, but you don't need like, we don't need to have this on for 3 weeks. With that being said, like, yeah, I'm gonna lightly apply the glue. When it comes to these ponytail wigs, you guys definitely don't have to use glue for your install, but I always find that glue just looks so much better when it comes to these wigs. So that's why I'm opting for glue. Then I'm gonna cut the ear tab out. Be careful, because there is a band there. You could cut into the band and you don't want to do that. Same thing for this side. So I'm going to do this side and then come back. Okay, welcome back. So I am going to just pluck some of the hairs because they've already pre-plucked it and it's, some spots are looking a little, you know, extra plucked. So this is how the wig came shipped to me. Just kind of have to make it look cohesive at this point. Okay, this is the powder that I'm gonna go in with, and I always like to go with a color that's like a little bit darker than my skin tone, because when I put the melting spray or any spray that has any sort of like, you know, alcohol, it's going to make it lighter. So you have to go in with a little bit darker. You want to make sure that your string is accessible, so keep it where you can reach it. I like to spray it on a surface all along the lace, all along the hairline. It's going to seal in that melt. Okay, and we're going to put on my melt band. All right. We don't need to do too much.
My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to take. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do. Like,
let's see if we can do a part, because we're gonna try like some traditional styles first.
I let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go.
Because water wave loves water.
Again, if I am I need you more than I would admit. Please be kind to me, baby. Like a weapon, you slay me forever. Connected like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo.
This is another style that we came up with. This style is cute. I can get down with this.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would.
You have a lot of space if you have a big head. Therefore, you can do, you know, your styles and not worry that the cap is going to tear. I do think that it's pretty full for the density. Do the bun. You put half of it up first. And then you take the other half and you brush it into the other ponytail. This is hands down the best technique to get your high ponytail bun. Put it all together.
Like I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be.
For sure, it's a lot of hair.
Of you. Know that I'ma ignore you all night. Know that I'ma decline your calls right. But I know that when I get home, I'll check in my phone to see what you want, see what you wrote, cause I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you. Of you. Of you.
And this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, I had to end with the ponytail, the high bun, because that's what we do over here. I actually love how natural the curl texture is, and I kind of like it in its like frizzy state. So you might have noticed that I left it more on the frizzy side because it was just giving, it was giving natural. It was giving what it was supposed to give. And I love the amount of density. You see how much hair is in this bun? Yeah. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Now, at first I wasn't sure about the plucking and the hairline, but after looking at it some more, I really like the hairline. I think it looks pretty natural. I would say they did a good job. I like that they did pre-bleach the knots so I didn't have to do it, and the knots are very tiny, so it looks very realistic. I will most definitely recommend this unit for you guys. If you want to purchase it, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you, so don't forget to check that out before you go. I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video sometime soon. Okay, bye now.